The irony of this moment is that even as we celebrate and honor John Lewis, the patron saint of voting rights, he hailed from the state, which in many instances is ground zero for voter suppression. We are still fighting against voter suppression in Georgia, but not only in Georgia, all across this country. In 2013, the Supreme Court gutted the Voting Rights Act, which is a law in a real sense dipped in the blood of John Lewis and Hosea Williams and so many others who fought the good fight. And even as we celebrate him, it has not been reauthorized. The last time this bill was reauthorized, George W. Bush was president. It passed the United States Senate 96-0. But in recent years, voting has become increasingly a partisan issue. And there are those who are not embarrassed by making it difficult for people to vote. And so John Lewis fought for this to the very last of his strength and breath. The reauthorization of the Voting Rights Act passed the U.S. Congress. I'm running against someone right now for the U.S. Senate who voted against it, Congressman Doug Collins. But it passed the House, made it to Mitch McConnell's desk, and that's where it's sitting, on Mitch McConnell's desk, who stood the other day and offered pious platitudes about the greatness of John Lewis, yet the bill that carries John Lewis's blood is sitting on his desk. If he really wants to honor John Lewis, he ought to pass the bill. He ought to put it up for a vote. That's how we honor John Lewis.